Have you ever felt the weight of the world on your shoulders? Like you're constantly treading water, just trying to stay afloat? Well, that's exactly what FloatMe is designed to help with. This app promises to be your oasis of calm, a place to disconnect from the daily grind and, well, float. But what happens when you're all set to unwind, and instead, you're hit with an error message? An error authenticating login message can be enough to sink your relaxation plans faster than a lead weight. Fear not, fellow floaters. In this video, we'll dive deep, pun intended, into the reasons why you might be encountering this frustrating error and, more importantly, how to get back to your peaceful floating experience. Common causes of login errors. There are a few main culprits behind that dreaded error authenticating login message. Let's break them down. Incorrect login credentials. This might seem obvious, but it's the most common reason for login issues. Double-check your username and password. Did you use the right email address? Maybe caps lock is on, or you accidentally typed an extra space. Take a deep breath and ensure everything is entered correctly. Server issues. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. FloatMe servers might be down for maintenance or experiencing technical difficulties. This can happen occasionally, and it's usually resolved quickly by the FloatMe team. If you suspect a server issue, check the FloatMe app's social media pages or website for any announcements. Outdated app. Technology moves fast, and apps are no exception. An outdated version of the FloatMe app might have bugs or security issues that prevent you from logging in. Make sure you're running the latest version by checking for updates in your app store. Connectivity problems. A stable internet connection is essential for using FloatMe. If your Wi-Fi is weak or your mobile data is spotty, it could disrupt the login process. Try connecting to a stronger network or switching to Wi-Fi if you're using mobile data. Troubleshooting tips. Now that we've identified the potential causes, let's get you back to floating bliss. Here are some troubleshooting tips. Restart the app. Sometimes, a simple app restart can clear up temporary glitches. Close the FloatMe app completely and relaunch it. Restart your device. If restarting the app doesn't work, try restarting your phone or tablet. This can clear out any cache data that might be causing conflicts. Reset your password. If you're unsure about your login credentials, you can reset your password through the FloatMe app. They'll usually send a reset link to your email address. Contact FloatMe support. If you've tried all of the above and are still stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to FloatMe's support team. They have a team of experts dedicated to helping users with login issues and other app-related problems. You can usually find their contact information within the app itself or on their website. Additional considerations. Here are a few extra things to keep in mind. Two-factor authentication. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your FloatMe account, make sure you have your verification code handy when logging in. App permissions. Ensure that the FloatMe app has the necessary permissions to function correctly on your device. This might include permissions related to internet access or location services. Check third-party logins. Do you log into FloatMe through a third-party service like Facebook or Google? If so, there might be an issue with that specific platform's login system. Try logging in directly with your FloatMe username and password instead. By following these tips, you should be able to identify and resolve the cause of your error authenticating login message on FloatMe. Remember, a little troubleshooting can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and relaxing floating experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, float on.